Have you heard about the China stone? Well, this is it here. What it's used for? It's to help with premature ejaculation, prolong your sexual pleasure. What's it made out of? It's made out of it is made out of herbs, and it is made with tree sap in that. Again, this is a China stone. Been used in China for over 1,000 years. How is it used? Take a little piece in your hand. Put a little bit of water in the palm of your hand. Rub it in as form a little bit of a paste. After, rub that paste on the head of your penis. Leave it on for a few minutes. After that, wash it off. Wash your hands. Then you're good between 4 and 6 hours of sexual pleasure. Again, this is a Jamaican stone form and liquid form. China stone. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.